Hello friends, today we're going to talk about replacementlensexpress.com website, whether this website is legit or if it's a scam. So let's start. As you can see, this is the interface of this website. When we check this website on Trustpilot, we found that 531 people given a rating of 4.8 out of 5. And you can see the people's review here, which are quite good. And when we check this website in several other ways, such as the age of this website, we found that this website is 14-year-old from now, and we didn't see anything fraudulent on this website. But we found some positive highlights of this website. These highlights are: this website is using an external review system. This website has received positive reviews. The SSL certificate is valid. This website is very old. This website is safe according to DNS filter. So we consider this website is safe. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, please hit a like button. Thank you.